In case you're seeing it for the first time, this is Banana Blossom. Hello and welcome to the third episode of Memories on a Plate. And for today's episode, we have Mochar Ghonto. Banana flowers, mocha, Vāḻaippū was not an ingredient that we came across often. In fact, I remember my mother making it only a handful of times during my childhood. But whenever she did, it was no less than a celebration. The preparation of the dish was a labor of love, requiring hours of cleaning and prepping, and single-handedly making this dish from scratch can be a very cumbersome task. But as a kid, it used to be a fun activity to escape from studies and help my parents clean the delicate flowers. And definitely, the end result was always worth it. Growing up as a Bengali residing outside of Bengal, certain things were harder to come by than others. The food I ate growing up was often a blend of the traditional Bengali dishes as well as the tastes and ingredients of the places we lived in and the various people we encountered from the various regions of the country. In Indian food culture, particularly the East and South Indian cuisine, every part of the banana tree is used as food. The concept of no wastage has been a tradition for a long time. The fruit, the peels of the fruits, leaves, stem, flowers, and even the roots of the banana tree are utilized in a variety of dishes, ranging from snacks and curries to desserts and drinks. This practice is not only a way to reduce waste, but also a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of the Indian cuisine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.